Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes,
Yeah,
I can
yeah,
hear
yes.
you.
Okay, okay, okay. Hi. Hi.
Very good.
Today, hello?
So Lakshmi is a trainer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's
Okay.
go ahead.
Sorry. Can you talk bit louder?
So actually, how many people are attending this training?
I have no idea actually.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Today we'll start the Unix demo actually. And I am dealing with this Unix from past 6 years. Okay. And where are you from? And what is your background actually?
For you asking me,
Yes, yes, Sunny.
actually I'm from Punjab side.
Okay. You are a student or a working or a some?
Actually, I have worked as a NetApp storage administrator,
Okay.
and as we all know that all these storage appliances are really based on the Linux platform. So that's
Okay.
why my
Yes.
was to learn Linux.
Some distance. Someone is talking. Hello, Sunny. Hello, Sunny.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. I have some disturbance in the call, right? Did you?
I'm also feeling that.
Okay, okay. Something like is there. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. And today we'll start with this demo session. Yes. Unix is nothing but a operating systems. Okay. Operating systems, and its operating systems will deal with the hardware and the communication between hardware and a software. Okay, this operating systems is like a free source code, so that everyone can download from the internet, and they can start using the Unix. Just they need is a server and the terminal to use. So this computer operating systems is nothing but to control the programs working with the users. So user can write the programs and work in the Unix. So the Unix is the operating system which will connect to the hardwares, and it will manage the resources and communicate with the other systems. Communicate with the other systems is nothing but connecting to the other servers. So we want to get the information from the other server. So we need to connect from one server to another server. That's nothing but a computers and etc. So in Unix, we can have a multi-user terminology and a multitasking terminology. So multi-user is nothing but one server can be utilized by many users, and many jobs at a time we can run in. Is called a multitasking. Okay, are you getting? If you don't get, please stop me and ask. Sunny.
This is true.
Okay, and in order to connect to the Unix system, we need to have some like PuTTY and Telnet. So these are the interfaces we will connect, which will connect to the Unix system. So pure Unix will have a start button, and from there you need to go to run. Then you can type the Telnet. So it will start the window here, Telnet. You can see, right? If you type the telnet, it will start with a machine. It will ask for the host name. Host name means nothing but server name. Port and temp terminal is a port and terminal type, and it will be given as the connect strings, and so that we can connect to the remote systems. A window will come up onto the screen in the host name section. Type the above name, leave that other parts as the default values. When you press the connect button, the login screen will appear and the next. So it will come like this. So this is the Unix terminal actually. Okay, here you need to type the login credentials, like yeah, like what is the username and what is the password.
Is
Okay,
that
so
different
base,
from, hello?
yes, yes, yes,
Is that different from PuTTY or Linux platform?
This is a pure Linux actually. We have the putty also. We have the putty also. I can show you 1 minute. You know putty?
Yeah, I have already worked on that.
Okay, okay. You want from putty perspective, right?
Because there we already put only single IP address and then
Yes,
put the
yes, yes.
credential with that we can
Yes.
connect.
Okay, okay. I thought it is a pure Linux, so I did like this. Okay, 1 minute. I'll share the putty also. So you know basic commands, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. So this is okay. You know the connection strings, right? Then no need of this, right? These slides connecting to putty. Sunny,
Yes, yes.
connecting to putty, you know that.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Then we can go to basic commands. So the cat command and all cat command is used to display the contents of the file, and we can also create a new file with the cat command. Actually these are practicals I can show you in the later session because today the connection and others are not created actually. Okay,
Okay. But these basics I do have. I know
you
all
do
about
have.
these basics.
Oh, you know the grep command?
Grep, yes, as a
Then
filter that is used
yeah,
to
exactly.
in the
Search for
file.
the patterns in the file. Okay, and you know this diff command,
DF
diff.
different, yeah, different between the two files. Yes.
Yes, yes, diff command. You know. Then and
You ask
this,
anyway. You ask me if I'm wrong.
yeah, yeah. No, no, those are correct actually. Okay, you know the shell scripting and all.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Nothing, shell scripting is nothing but a combination of these commands, Unix commands. Will get together as a one script and we'll run the script when so the one by one commands will be run automatically from the Unix like a shell. Okay, CP command, you know, like CP commands and all,
Yeah.
so we can cover all these basic commands in one class, I guess then.
I know these basic commands, but scripting is my one of the main problem that I don't know about
Okay,
the basics of shell scripting.
okay, okay. I can teach that. I can teach.
So, is
So,
it a part of the syllabus, shell
yeah,
scripting?
yeah. Yes, yes, it's part of the syllabus. So basically what I thought is I don't know the beginners are coming or actually experienced are coming. So I thought like a basic start from the basics. So I had all these comments prepared and it will take mostly 10 days for a all the commands to practice and 10 days for scripting. Otherwise, how do you need?
No, but basics from my side, I know all the basics, I think.
Okay, okay. Then directly you want to start me in self scripting?
Uh, you can tell me about some of these systems, DF, yeah, this one,
Yeah,
DU
yeah.
and DF,
Okay, okay. Okay,
a
these are
little
the
bit.
disk usages. Under the file Unix, we have so many disks. So under disks, we have so many files for and directives will be created. So when the disk is full, we will not be able to create another one more file, right? So in order to know how much space is available in the disk, so it is for a DU, disk usage, and disk filing summarizes the amount of disk space in use actually.
But here is
Both
my
are
one question. Here is one
yes.
question that how to check that this particular directory has how much space. How to check that?
Yeah, du space some file name or du space disk name. So wherever path you are there, right? In whichever path you are there, there you can write the du-sh, and some options are there actually with all these.
So for example, open the
So
putty and can you show me some example in that case?
yes. So you know PDW and all, right?
Yes, yes. So minus SH, what does it mean?
Actually, some of the Unix flavors will use this -sh actually. So in ours it is not connected. Maybe it is not installed. 1 minute.
Du minus SH and the path or the directory name.
So these are the bytes actually. So this is 0 bytes, and this is the directory under the data, and that file. That's whole. This thing is containing 64 bytes and like this. And others also will be there.
No, no, if you need to see, for example, there is a etc directory in root. If you want to see the size of that etc directory, example of etc directory.
1 minute. Okay, then, mm,
You are logged in as a normal user or a root user?
sorry?
You are logged in as a normal user.
Yeah, yeah.
So does this command run by, I mean, the normal user or a root user have the access to run this command?
Yeah. All the people will have the access, right? Do you have an access? So DU option, and means in my Linux it is showing like a DU option. DF option is not recognizing actually. The folder, this is a folder like a directory, SFW directory is containing 38 bytes, and you can have the list of all the data that is being consumed, the space for
So
all the directory.
if we need to see the size of particular directory or particular file, then only single file or directory. For example, etc,
This is-
etc. So which version are you using?
My login is 1 minute. Yeah, this like you want to have some particular path, right? So under that path you have so many folders and so many file systems. So under this path, yeah, it is showing like how much size it is being consumed. Actually, du hyphen k will show the
There must
kilobyte.
be size.
Yes,
Size
yes,
should be
that's
in kilobyte or
yeah,
megabyte
yeah,
in the
yes,
result.
yes. Hyphen
I'm asking for one directory, not asking for all these under pattern. For example, if you have run the pattern, what is the size of the pattern in total?
du hyphen s is recognized. Some systems will recognize some commands actually depending on the extensions that's been loaded. See, du-s is the command which is showing the particular file or a particular path. Okay, du-s is wait, I'll show this pattern under home. So the pattern is consuming uh, units 86 kilobytes.
Kilobyte or byte?
This is a kilobyte. So you are working with Unix systems, right? You are familiar with these commands and all like this.
Actually, I'm not sure with this command. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay. So K is with the kilobytes, 31 kilobytes, and S is with the bytes. The U hyphen K. You work as a administrator, right? So you need more system commands maybe.
Yes, yes.
Okay. We have megabytes of option also actually. It should be available. Um,
But if there will be the size of that in megabyte, then
size of?
if there will be the size in megabyte, then it will show. Otherwise, it won't.
Yeah, yes, it not sure. Yes. This is a disk free space. DF is nothing but disk free space. So this particular disk 5 is containing this many blocks, and inodes are nothing but file systems, it seems.
I notice a file system
Inodes are file systems.
like ext3, 4, like this one.
Yeah, yeah. ext3, ext4. Yes. And these all are basic commands actually. I thought I don't know whether the user is means your basic or ex experience level. So I prepared like a basic level commands itself.
No, no, no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Basics are the roots actually, you know.
Yeah. You know GZIP and GunZip, JetGrip.
Uh,
You know this, right?
gzip, I mean for compression.
Yeah, unzipping the files. Zipping the files. Yes. Hello, do you know gzip?
Yes,
Gunzip,
yes.
gzip,
Gunzip, I
gunzip.
don't know. Gunzip, I don't know. Gzip, I know.
Okay, okay. Jet grip,
Which one?
jet grip, jet grip.
Which one? Gzip,
Grip.
I know.
Oh yes. Jet
Gzip,
grip is there.
Can we start with the basics of shell scripting?
Okay, okay. Basics of shell scripting, right? Okay. Good. For now, I'll show you one scripting. So whatever which is written previously, so that I can explain you. So this is one of the script. So this is a bin KSH is nothing but a corn shell. It is so it is dealing with the corn shell. So corn shell will be running the scripts, all the commands, as you know. And
Oh,
this is the export
I don't know
yes,
about this one.
shells and all you don't know, right? Okay.
Shells, I know. I mean, bash shell, C shell, TCS. But what is the purpose of those shells? I don't know.
Purpose of shells is nothing but like a core to compute the all the commands and compute all the shell scriptings. Actually, in the next class I'll be dealing with these shell scripts because I prepared for basic commands, right? So if you want more information, I can give in next class. So starting with this, let's just have a look for what is the scripting. Okay. So this script, what it is doing is it is connecting to the database, actually Oracle login, and it is getting some data from table, asset release table, and it is getting some column. So in order to get that, so we need to have a login credentials which is there in a variables path. So all this we need to write like a stat initially. Then it is a timestamp. So when it is being executed, it gives the timestamp as output. So this echo is a simple echo will give the display like whatever it is written. It is right. It will display in the next line.
Hmm.
Yeah, echo whatever we want to write like echo we are executing here, right? This is maybe step one. So for debugging purpose also it will be useful for echo, because after these two steps, timestamp, if you write an echo, it will display the echo step 1. So we can understand that these two timestamp steps are executed and it has reached up till echo step 1. So it is for debugging purpose, echo.
Okay.
Okay. And this is a variable. So whatever we are getting from a database, the value in the new format, right? This is a column name. So whatever the value we are getting, we are just storing in a output variable. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these can be runtime variables. So we need not be initialized. And here it is $1 is nothing but a runtime parameter. So while running the script itself, from the from the Unix, we can have a shell script like here, like sh and this asset underscore value dot sh, and we can give here $1 what it means the first parameter. So
What is
first
this? This
yes,
is the work environment like putty
yeah,
where you write.
this is a notepad. Just I'm explaining you, right? I'm not running in a putty. Yeah, just to get to know what are the variables, how we are initializing, and how the echo commands are
So what kind of environment it is? Like whenever you're trying to type something, it automatically comes.
it automatically comes.
The, please type this line again. SH
This
asset and
this is a notepad plus plus. This is
yeah.
notepad plus.
So what is coming? I mean, like a .NET.
Okay. This recognizes the previous value. This is means already the value is there here, right, in the notepad page. So when I am writing this asset or something, it will show these values are there like this. Sh, and this $1 is nothing but a parameter, first parameter. So you can give here table name. Table will be containing like 1 minute. EDW, some EDW will be having the new format column as a Y, okay, and this will be having PDW, something will be having a new format column as N in table. Okay. So we need to get the value for EDW. So this is the first parameter. This is a set name column, and this is a new format.
Actually, I'm not getting you. I'm not understanding
Not
anything.
getting. Okay, I'm
Because
explaining how.
because I don't know even basics of shell scripting. That basics I clear with that, but basics shell scripting I don't know. So I
Okay.
need to know the basics, very basics. So how the commands run and how to get the output, desired output, how to add multiple accounts in shell scripting, how to send the mail multiple to the multiple people, like these kind of
Okay.
scripting I want to learn.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow I can get the basic startings with the PPT and all. I can explain those. Just I'm checking with you this the output variables, how we are assigning to the variable the value we are getting from the database. Okay, if you want to get the data value from the database, and it need to be stored in a variable, right? So that's what I'm telling.
Then we can continue tomorrow if it is as you wish. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Okay,
We
then
can
bye.
continue tomorrow. Then tomorrow we can start with the shell scripts, right?
Which time?
Maybe 7:30. 7:30 I'll be free. Morning.
7:30 or?
7:30 to 8:30.
So can you be a little bit later?
Means?
Up 8 o'clock is fine for you.
Yeah, fine. 8 to.
8.
8 to
Yeah,
8:45? 9 o'clock.
yeah, 8 to 9 would be fine.
Okay, okay then. It's
Okay,
fine.
bye. Send me the link then.
Okay, okay. The other people will send. Yeah, yeah. Sure.
Okay, bye.
They'll send. Okay, bye.